This mower has been sitting under a tarp on our block for, honestly, I don't even remember how long. Today, the kids and I are trying to bring it back to life. It's sort of a project we've been putting off. Every time we walked past it, we said, yeah, one day. Well, today's the day. They were very confident. I was less confident. I'm not going to pretend I know what I'm doing here. I looked up a couple of videos and mostly I'm just hoping the internet's right. If you're new here, this is pretty much how everything goes on our block. No drama, we just figure it out as we go.
Hey, there's a plant growing fruit.
What?
Oh, I know.
Ouais. Vous devez vous en faire ici. Ça.
It doesn't work much anymore. So how?
Tiens, tu me...
Now you're out of First, we gotta find out which way the key has to go to turn on the mower. Right? Closer.
Ouais. This one. 1, 2, 3, go! Go! You ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Can you put it? Wiggle it, wiggle it.
Opposite of wrapper. But
Non, on appuie sur le bouton.
Le mieux, ce serait que je me mette à pousser plutôt que de filmer, non?
If you told me a year ago I'd be elbow deep in a 30-year-old carburettor with a 6-year-old supervising, I'd have laughed. It's just an old mower, it's not going to change the world. But there's something in fixing a thing everyone else would have thrown out, teaching the kids that broken doesn't mean done. Sometimes you just need a bit of patience, a bit of luck, and someone small enough to reach the bits you can't. Thanks for being here.